Engine 18, person shot, 4100 Caroline Avenue, between West Sylvania and Clara. You're also getting Life Squad 3, police are en route. Engine 18, on a person shot, Life Squad 3 is also responding. 4100 Caroline Avenue, Channel 2.
EMS, Battalion 3.
Go ahead.
We have Life Squad 3 in the scene. We're in a stage 4. They're all swearing sure what was going on, so we got 4 there as well.
Okay, 18s, where are you staged at?
Dispatch Battalion 3, we got from police. They can move out. They're on scene.
Okay, put me on scene.
Copy that, 217.
EMS, Medic 18, clear the medtech.
I'm at 220.
Last Squad 4, did you copy? Last Squad 4 did not copy. They're looking for a suspect, so there might be a patient a little bit here to stage on Sylvania. Oh, okay.
Battalion 3, do you want another first staged?
Battalion 3 to fire dispatch. I don't need any additional units. Down here.
Okay, copy that, 221.
Medic 23, Lucas County, can I get a med tech to St. Anne's?
St. Anne's, med tech 1.
Copy 1. Dispatch, it's an 18 to St. B's.
18, 225.
Medic 23, Lucas County, clear the med.
Alright, 225.
Fire dispatch Battalion 3 from the police. Life Squad 4 is not needed.
Okay, copy that. I'm going to be coming in service and right now, thanks.
Copy that, 238.